In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitwarden Backups. We'll walk through creating a backup of your vault from the web app and then restoring it so you always have a reliable copy of your passwords and notes. Start by opening the Bitwarden web vault and signing in. Once you're looking at your vault, find the Tools dropdown in the top navigation. This is where Bitwarden keeps import and export options. Click Tools, then choose Export. You'll see that import is nearby, but for now we're creating a backup. Next, pick a file format for your backup. You can choose JSON or .csv. The Bitwarden JSON format is the most faithful to Bitwarden's structure, while CSV is easier to view in a spreadsheet or move between different password managers. If you're staying within Bitwarden, JSON is usually the safest bet. If you need a human-readable table or you're migrating elsewhere, choose CSV. Select the format you prefer. When you click Export, Bitwarden will ask for your master password. This confirmation protects your data by ensuring only you can generate a backup file. Enter your master password and click Continue. Your backup will download to your device. Treat this file like a set of keys to your digital life. It's unencrypted once saved, so store it in a secure location and remove it from shared or untrusted folders. If this is a temporary migration file, delete it safely after you're done. To restore from a backup or bring data into a new vault, return to Tools and click Import. Start by selecting the destination. Choose which vault you want to import into, such as your personal vault or an organization you have access to. If you prefer, you can also select a specific folder so the imported items land neatly where you want them. This step keeps things organized and prevents one big, cluttered list. In the Data section, set the file format to match the backup you created earlier. If you exported a Bitwarden JSON, choose that. If you exported a CSV, pick Bitwarden CSV. Consistency here ensures fields map correctly. Click. Choose File and select your backup from your computer. Double-check you picked the right file and format to avoid mismatched imports or duplicates. Finally, click Import. Bitwarden will process the file and add your items to the destination you selected. When it finishes, review your vault to confirm everything looks right. If you see duplicates, you can clean them up now. That's it. Your Bitwarden backup and restore workflow is complete.